Hello, welcome to Stafford Land Rover. Today I'm going to show you around this stunning Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Santorini black. This car's previously had one owner. As it's part of our approved used, you get a minimum 12 months approved warranty and minimum 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 899 446. So to start with, I'm going to give you a 360 tour round, and then I'll show you the technology inside the vehicle. So you have pixel LED headlights with signature daytime running lights, giving the car a modern exterior. 22-inch diamond turned finish alloys. And going into the back of the vehicle, you have executive rear class seating, along with ISOFIX brackets, which is practical for families, and a centre armrest, ensuring every journey is as comfortable as possible. A powered tailgate, which is perfect if you have your hands full. And going into the boot, you can see you have plenty of space there for stuff like golf clubs and pushchairs. You also have a full-size spare wheel in case of any accidents, and an electrically deployable tow bar, which saves time and effort attaching one and is great for towing things like caravans, boats and jet skis. Continuing around the car, you have privacy glass, keyless entry and soft door close. Going into the driver's side, you'll see you have illuminated Autobiography tread plates, a lovely ivory and ebony leather interior, a sliding panoramic roof allowing a lot more light into the car, and satin straight walnut veneer for a sleek finish. So that's the end of the 360 tour, and now I'm going to show you inside the vehicle. On your right, you'll see you have memory seats, practical if there's several people driving the car, a Meridian sound system making each journey more enjoyable, electric windows and electrically folding wing mirrors, which is helpful if you're in a tight space. Blind spot monitor, perfect for motorway driving. Different controls on your wheel, so you have a speed limiter, lane departure warning and cruise control, perfect for long journeys. A heated steering wheel, definitely a must, especially in winter. And on the other side you have Bluetooth, allowing you to make calls whilst on the go. On the screen in front of you, you can change your display to your own preference, view your vehicle settings, vehicle information, media, driver assistance and trip. Touchscreen with sat-nav and DAB radio, along with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to connect your phone. Timed climate, so you can set the temperature before even getting in the car, which is luxury in winter. A 360-degree surround camera, along with a normal rear view camera, making parking and reversing so much easier. Valet mode, so you can lock the screen so a valet can only access your climate control. And ambient lighting with various different colours to choose from, which looks really effective, especially in the dark. Different driving modes, so you have a different mode for anywhere depending on the weather or the road type. Heated and cooled front seats, practical for winter and summer. And these seats are also massaged with several different settings to choose from, ensuring every journey is relaxing. In your armrest, you have a cooler compartment, which is handy for long journeys to keep refreshments cold. Stepping back outside the vehicle, this car's done 26,423 miles. Thank you for watching this video on the Range Rover Autobiography 4.4 V8 in Santorini black, which is part of our approved used. We have many different finance packages available, so if you'd like a personalised quote or to book a test drive, please call 01785 899 446. Thank you.